Good morning children. Welcome back to Hindi class. Already we have completed art or ha, that is called svar, and we have started Vyanjan. In Vyanjan we have completed 3 letters. Kha. Okay children, we have completed kha, kha, ga. Ka se kamal, ka se tarbuj, ga se Ganesh. We have done water tracing, sand tracing, air tracing. Activity also we have completed. Today I am going to show you घा से घर and Inya. With the घा से घर I am going to show you activity, and for Inya we don't have any activity. Today we will complete 2 letters in this video. Okay children, come on, let's trace घा से घर. घा से घर. घा से घर. Okay children, in the textbook you have घा से घड़ी. Okay, you have घा से घड़ी. And in the workbook you have घा से घर. So first we will do the sand tracing. See children, left curve, again left curve, and standing line, and then sweeping line. घ से घर. Okay children, left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. घ से घर. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. घ से घर. Okay children, घ से घर. घ से घर. घ से घर. Okay children, this is the sand tracing. Now we are going to do water tracing. See here children, left curve, again left curve, standing line, and again sweeping line. घ से घर. घ से घर. Okay children, left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. घ से घर. घ से घर. घ से घर. घ से घर. Okay children, now we are going to do air tracing. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. घ से घर. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, then sweeping line. घ से घर. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. घ से घर. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, and sweeping line. घ से घर. Okay children, now we are going to do slate tracing. See here children, left curve, again left curve, and then sweeping line, standing line, then sweeping line. घ से घर. Okay children, घ से घर. घ से घर. घ से घर. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. घ से घर. घ से घर. घ से घर. Okay children, now we are going to do activity part for this with the matchsticks. See children, we are going to do activity part. In the homework book, you have to write big letter, big like this, and then trace a घर picture. Okay, so here we are going to trace so many times. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. Left curve, again left curve, standing line, and then sweeping line. घ से घर. What is this children? Gha se ghar. Left curve, again left curve, standing line and then sweeping line. Gha se ghar. Take your parents' help and draw the pictures. Gha se ghar. You have to draw rectangle picture and you can stick whatever items you have at home. Okay children, now I am going to stick with the matchsticks. I am going to stick matchsticks for this activity. Okay children, see here. If the straight line comes, you can put straight. Otherwise, you can cut into a small stick. Okay children, next you can stick one more stick here. Okay, then again come here like this and one more like this. Okay children, so this is the activity we are doing with the matchsticks. Okay children, now continue with the same. Now here also we can put the matchsticks. Okay children, try to complete very neatly. See children, how pretty it's looking, how nice it's looking. You also try to do very neatly. See children, how nice it looks. You also try to do very neatly. Now we are going to write classwork part with the strokes. See here children, left curve, again left curve, standing line and then sleeping line. Ghar se ghar. You have to write home classwork with the strokes like this. Okay Nana? Ghar se ghar. Okay. Now we are going to, after ghar se ghar, I am going to show you inya. It is very easy children. So I am going to show you only slate tracing and classwork part. Only slate tracing and classwork part. See here children, standing line, left curve and right curve and sleeping line. Okay, as you know how to write S, it is like that, S only. Okay children, slate 4 to 5 times, then go for inya. This is letter inya. For this letter I am going to show you slate tracing and classwork part. Standing line, left curve, right curve and sleeping line. Standing line, left curve, right curve and sleeping line. Standing line, left curve, right curve and sleeping line. Okay children, then we are going to write classwork part. Okay, standing line and sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line and left curve. Standing line, left curve, right curve. Standing line, left curve, right curve, sleeping line. Standing line, left curve, right curve, sleeping line. Again one more time children. Standing line, left curve. Standing line, left curve, right curve. Standing line, left curve, right curve, sleeping line. Okay children, write down till complete page. Inya. What is this letter children? Inya. What is this letter? Inya. What is this letter? Inya. Okay children? Okay children, everybody don't forget to keep dot at the last step. Okay children, I am sharing you again 2 more times I am telling you. Standing line, left curve. Standing line, left curve, right curve. Standing line, left curve, right curve, sleeping line. And after that, dot at the below the letter. Okay children, that is Inya. What is that? Inya. Okay children, we have completed Ga and Inya today in the classwork part. Homework is to write A se aha 2 times in your classwork. Okay children, we'll meet in next video. Have a nice day children. Bye.